Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and today I'm going to show you how to use a random stripe generator. Now, why would anyone want to use a random stripe generator? Well, I wanted to use one because I have chosen a color palette and it is rainbow colors for a blanket, but I don't want to use the traditional Roy G. Biv kind of stripe. I wanted to use something more random, but using those same classic colors. After a quick Google search, I discovered that Stylecraft has their own random stripe generator right on their website. You can go through and pick any one of their colors and it will choose a pattern for you. They also have palettes that you can choose. There's a Christmas palette, an autumn palette. There's even an Attic 24 Classic palette, which is really neat. I like that idea a lot. So you can choose one of these palettes as well. And yeah, Stylecraft will work out your pattern for you. Because I'm using my own colors, I'm going to go ahead and put in my Roy G. Biv, basically red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and I also had white in there. So I'm just clicking on each box for colors that are very similar to what I'm using. Because unfortunately I don't have any Stylecraft Special DK yet. I'm waiting for that order. Okay, so now down here it shows me the selected colors, the colors that I chose, and I'm choosing stripes. And because my pattern uses 4 rows, I'm going to click on the 4 rows wide. And now I'm just going to click on this Generate Stripes button, and here's one random pattern. Now obviously you might not like this pattern, so you can always go ahead and click it again, and it'll come up with something else. Every time you click it, it'll just be another random pattern. And then down below the pattern, it tells you the color order. So if your colors were very similar, it might be kind of hard to tell from your picture there. My colors are all very different, so it's pretty easy to tell. Once I found one I liked, I took a screenshot of it, and I just saved it to my photos, and then I can reference it later. Or I can do a few of them, take a few snapshots, and, you know, compare and contrast. Now I'm going to try it with one of their palettes. Okay, so here's the Attic 24. And also you can put in different numbers of rows that you want, per se. So if you want, you know, sometimes you want 2 rows of a color, or 6 rows of a color, 10 rows of a color. It will do that as well. It's really pretty clever. Look at all those colors. There's a gajillion. I like these color palettes as well. I want to try it with just single rows. Let's change this to 1. And take a look. Wow, that's a lot of ends to weave in. Now I thought we'd try squares. Look at that. Isn't that so neat? So those are my selected colors. Oh, now I've changed to that. So there's a whole new pattern. And up here you can also change how many squares you want. So let's change this to 4 squares wide and 5 squares high. Let's see how it changes. I could play with this all day. So there you have it, the Stylecraft Stripe Pattern Generator. Have you ever used one of these stripe pattern generators? Let me know in the comments below. For now, I'm going to say see you later, and I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.